Welcome to 60-Second Civics, the daily podcast of the Center for Civic Education. I'm Mark Gage. Globalization is not new. Peoples, nations, and corporations have been buying and selling from each other across great distances for centuries. However, recent economic and political policies, as well as technology, have spurred cross-border involvement, resulting in a new phase of economic and cultural development. New York Times foreign affairs columnist Thomas Friedman described the current wave of globalization as farther, faster, cheaper, and deeper. One trend has been the migration of workers. Workers throughout the world are proving to be remarkably mobile. People move from one country to another seeking jobs, which can lead to disputes about immigration policies. At the same time, many companies in industrialized nations such as the United States are outsourcing jobs, that is, sending work to other countries to take advantage of cheaper labor and to use workplaces that are relatively free from government regulation. Outsourcing also affects migration patterns within the United States, as unemployed or underemployed workers move to different communities or states in search of jobs. That's all for today's podcast, 60 Second Civics, where civic education only takes a minute.